on 5.
Mel Gibson's getting Signs at 10 to midnight, but first, superhuman action with Hulk, with mildly offensive language, violence and horror from the start and throughout.
Find me somebody to love.
Have you seen that movie where the beds come to life?
Yeah, and start talking.
So ridiculous.
Dreams sponsors winter entertainment on 5 Star.